Hello everyone, this is Martin from DongGuan, China. I'm working in JianZhao metal and plastic company now, and as an international trade sales, I feel it's very lucky to get in touch with international trading platform called Tradewheel. We have been started cooperation with Tradewheel since last August until now, and we have set up business with more than 10 customers and more than 20 potential buyers. All the inquiry information on this platform is very true and reliable. Besides, they have very professional assistants to help you to deal with this inquiry. And if your product can meet the buyer's requirement very well, I believe you can get more than customers as I do. So here I very recommend this platform to people who work as international trade sales. Wish you have a nice day. Bye bye.